Step 1. Download Eclipse. The latest Eclipse installer and packages only support the 64-bit operating system. Eclipse bundles JR, but having the Java JDK installed on your machine is recommended. Navigate to the Eclipse website and click on the Download button. Step 2. Launch Eclipse installer. Locate the downloaded Eclipse installer on your computer. Double-click on the installer to launch it. Step 3. Accept license agreement. Click on the top right corner 3 lines menu icon and accept the license agreement. Step 4. Install Eclipse. Click on the right Eclipse tool. To develop J2E and Java web applications, choose Eclipse IDE for enterprise Java and web developers. Click on the Install button. Step 5. Launch Eclipse. Click on the Launch button to launch the Eclipse. Step 6. Eclipse Welcome Screen. This will display the Eclipse welcome screen for the first time. Review the link on the welcome screen. You have successfully installed Eclipse on your computer.